Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand, and I'm standing in front of a Whirlpool washer. So you may be getting a new Whirlpool washer, and you may have experienced some issues trying to start the unit. And what we're finding is that there's not a problem with the unit. You just have to hold the start button down till a group of lights illuminate, and then you can release, and the unit will start every time. So let me kind of go in and show you. So I'm going to turn on the washer. And as you can see, the sense button is illuminating. So as you can see, this is actually a start and a pause button. So you'd want to pause it if you wanted to add something or if you just wanted to pause the cycle. But you have to hold this button down to start until all of the lights across the top illuminate. So as soon as all of the lights, all the way down to done, illuminate, this product will start every time. You'll hear the lid switch click on, and then the machine will start. And again, if you hit the pause button, okay, you can't just hit that and expect it to start. It will not start. You have to hold it down to start. So I'll hold it down, all the lights will illuminate, and then I'll release. If you have any questions about this product or any other product, please comment below or go to donsappliances.com.